and thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. My name is Yadrissa, and today I will be showing you guys how I got this cute frontal half up, half down, and I did do a heart-shaped bang because, as you know, Valentine's Day is coming up. So if you want to see how I got this quick 10 to 15 minute hairstyle, then make sure you keep on watching and stay tuned. So the first thing I want to do is let you guys know the details of this hair. This is another Amazon wig that I have found, a highlight ombre lace frontal wig. This is a 13x4 frontal, 150 density, and it's 427 colored honey blonde, and it is in a 22-inch. So what I'm going to be doing is, what I did off camera was I did mark around my hairline with a white eyeliner. And the reason why I walked my hairline with the white eyeliner is so I could be able to see it when I put the wig on top of my head, so I could see through the lace where my hairline is, so I can mark those parts off so I know what hair I will be removing from this wig. So it was just a little bit too long, so I was just, just moving out my way so I can see. I do have a mirror in front of me, so if you guys are wondering what I am looking down at and why I'm not looking directly at my camera. So I'm just going to take that rat tail comb, and like I said, I did outline my hairline with a white eyeliner pencil. Just marking my hairline because I do have a low narrow hairline, and that's why I marked it off, so I could be able to see when I put the wig on my head, so I can see through the lace, so I can just separate the hair that I'm going to be removing once again. So you don't have to do it this way. This is just a method that I chose to do for me. This is the easiest way that I learned how to do it, that it just works for me. And after I did part this hair off, I did just section it off, and I took it off of my head. I put it onto my mannequin head on my wig stand, and I did remove that hair that I have sectioned off in front with some Nair. I did leave the Nair on for about a good 15 minutes. I did wash it out and blow dry the hair, and then I am going to come back on camera with the wig on my head after that hair has been removed. So that hair has been removed in the clip, and as you can see here, I have the wig tied down because I did go in with my bow-toed lace glue, and I did lay down this glue on my head and apply my frontal onto that glue. So I did cut three sections in this wig, and I'm just going to be using those sections just to cut off the lace on this wig. And as you can see, when I did take off that wig band, that you can see that the glue was still a little bit wet in some places. So I did go in after that and just tweak it up a little bit. I did blow dry a little bit more off camera, and then I did come back to continuing to fix this wig. So I am going in with my eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to be cutting that lace off. So I'm just cutting the lace off that I'm not going to be using. I'm cutting as close to the hairline as I can possibly can and make sure you guys be careful when you are cutting the lace off of your wig. As you can see, it looks white. That lace looks really white while I'm cutting it, and I didn't like how that looks right there, so I did go in. So trust the process. Don't judge it by now about how it looks right now. Just trust the process. I'm just going to be cutting the lace off of each section of this wig lace, and just cut it off, and then we're going to get into how I blend this wig and this lace into my skin tone. And I did, before I did apply this wig on my head, I did apply my foundation shade to my lace on the inside of the whole entire wig, on the inside, only where the lace is. So I'm not sure why it did come up so white, but I'm guessing I just didn't apply enough products to the wig, so I'll just be mindful of that next time. As you can see, it does look white like I said before, but again, trust the process. We're gonna fix all of that, and I'm just going to show you from start to finish how I completed this wig. And I did go in with my scissors. I was cutting off some more of that excess lace that I saw in certain places, that it was too much lace, and I did go in with those scissors and cut off those extra pieces of lace from my wig. And now I'm going to be cutting off the final piece off this lace, and I'm moving in a up and down motion. I'm not trying to do a straight line because I don't want it to look like I just got to shape up. Like, that's not the look we're going for. So make sure you up and down and just swiggle it and just jagged motion to remove that lace off of your wig, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want it to look like, you know, you just fresh out the barbershop. You know, that's not what we're going for. We're trying to go for the feminine look, you know, little soft look. So what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be taking my concealer shade and I'm going to be applying that concealer to my lace. And as you can see, it is helping it melt. And this concealer is by LA Girl Pro. And I'm just using that again to blend that lace to match my skin tone, because as you can see around my hairline, it looks like a white cast, it looks like a white shadow, it looks like a white lace. So I'm just blending that in, and I did use the help of that brush to blend that lace. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be putting the hair out the way that I'm not going to be working on right now, and I'm going to be working on my sideburns. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking that rat tail comb and I'm just going to be parting off a section, because I do want to make some I'm sorry, I'm so tongue-tied. I do want to make some baby hairs. I don't know where I was going with that sentence, but yeah, just put it out the way. I did make a section for my baby hairs that I want, and I'm going to be cutting down, and I did cut it a little bit longer than my desired length because I didn't want to cut off too much hair. I'm going to be using that flat iron, and I'm going to be using that to make a little curl on my baby hairs. And just to keep it in place, I'm going to be applying that edge control, and I'm just taking a tiny bit on my finger, just enough to lay that baby hair down on the side. So being that the hair is already curled with the flat iron, I didn't have to worry about too much of shaping this baby hair on the sideburn. And I'm just using that edge brush to just smooth it out and just comb everything into place with this sideburn. And I did go ahead and repeat what I did on the other side. And as you can see, I'm just cutting the hairs off that I'm not going to be using, because this is going to be my baby hairs on this side as well. I'm just repeating the process. After I cut off the hair, I did curl it with my flat iron and lay it down with my edge control. And then I'm going to be taking that brush just to smooth it into place and comb it to my desired look. And if you want, you could do the no baby hair looks. I do like how that looks as well. But for me and for this style, I did want to add baby hairs. I really do like how the baby hairs look on certain styles. And I do also like the no baby hair look, the real natural, you know, look as well. So for this hairstyle, I know you can't see it from looking straight on and my thumbnail, but I am going to be creating a heart part for my bang, and that is going to be because, you know, soon as Valentine's Day, I know I keep saying it and I keep talking about it. If you are a returning subscriber, I have mentioned Valentine's Day kind of like different hairstyles that I wanted to create for, you know, Valentine's and dedicated to Valentine's, or just on a regular everyday basis and you just want a nice cute hairstyle, I did go in and make my bang a heart part. So you're going to see that in this video if you keep on watching. So now I'm just using that comb and I'm just trying to take a chunk of that hair from the front, and I'm just going to be trying to section it off because this is where I'm going to be creating my heart part for my bangs for this hairstyle. And this is my first time trying this type of heart part, so it did take me a while to try to get that part as straight as I wanted and to make it look more like a heart shape. So I was just taking my time and just trying to smooth it out and just make those lines as straight as possible. So just take your time. You know, this is my first time doing it. It took me a while to get the part straight like I've just mentioned, but just make sure you smooth the hair out the way each time you make a part and just hold it in place as you make those parts to make it easier for sectioning off the hair that you are going to be working with. So I was going in with my comb and my brush to try to smooth the hair, make the part, and then smooth it into place. That's what I was trying to do. I did put a little bit of heat protectant on. I did spray it all over my hair before I began to curl this hair, but again, I did leave that clip out. So before I start curling any hair in this video, just know that I did put my heat protectant on my hair. And as you can see, that part is coming along. I'm just taking my time and I'm just trying to make those you know, those parts really straight and just make it look realistic as possible for a hairstyle. So this is my edge booster and this is my wax stick that I'm going to be using today, and I'm just going to be using that to just smooth the hair into place and to prep for my hot comb, because I'm going to be going in with my hot comb and I'm going to use that to help me smooth everything down, lay everything down, hold everything into place. Again, if you are wondering if you need a wax stick when you are trying to style your frontal, your closure, your wig in general, it's good to tame those flyaways and it's good to keep that hair in place and mold it down. As you can see, there's a big difference when I begin to use my hot comb. I did get this hot comb from my local beauty supply, and also you can get this hot comb or any hot comb from Amazon. You know, they're really fast shipping and very affordable. And I really did like this wig. This wig is pre-colored. I did not have to color this hair at all. Again, I did get this wig from Amazon. This is another Amazon find, that another wig that I was trying to try out so I can let you guys know how good of quality it is. It is human hair, 150 density. It is 22 inches. It is a frontal, a 13x4. And as you can see, that color is beautiful. Like, I'm used to wearing my black hair, but when I tried this hair, I was really in love with the color, you know, and I was really excited that I didn't have to take the time to color my hair at all, and it just came all pre-colored, and I just had to install and just style to my likings. So as you can see, you see how that hot comb just smooth everything out. It just keep everything into place. Everything is shining, and yeah. So that is the purpose of the wax stick, and with the help of the hot comb. So what I was doing now, I was just trying to section off the hair that I'm going to be using for my ponytail. So I was just sectioning off, you know, my hair, and I'm using my brush to comb that ponytail into place just to smooth everything out. I did want a high ponytail, so that's why I'm smoothing everything up. And I'm making sure that I take my time because, as you can see, I'm not sure if you can tell, but over by my bang, my wig was lifting up a little bit, so I did notice that. So what I did do is I did stop, and I did off camera glue that down, and then come back to the camera after everything was glued down. So again, this is my ponytail. My ponytail is smooth up. As you can see on this side, I did glue that down off camera, so it is fixed now. And that hot comb, I'm just trying to, you know, just smooth everything. Oh no, I didn't do it yet. I'm sorry. I did not glue that piece down yet, but I am going to glue that down. As you can see, it's lifting up right there. I'm going to glue that down, and then I am going to come back and I'm going to continue this hairstyle. So now everything is glued down. As you can see, I was touching it just to make sure everything was good now. Now I'm just going to be using my comb, and I'm just going to be smoothing that heart bang that I created. And I'm just trying to comb it to one side because I did want it to lay to one side. And I'm just using that hot comb just to smooth it into the direction that I'm going to be curling my hair. And I am going to be curling my hair with this flat iron, and I'm just going to be using that to create a big body wave curl in the front of my head. And this hair did have a curl already, so I didn't go in and curl the back of this hair at all. I just more so fluffed it up and just more so just curls my bang. I wanted you guys to see how I got this heart bang, and in case any of you were wondering how people are getting this heart bang, I just wanted to make a dedicated video to how to create this style. And if you are a new person who is just tuning into my video, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload new videos. Don't forget to check out my other videos that I have posted on my channel as well. I do hair, makeup, and nails here on my channel, and I do have some special effects makeup as well as regular, you know, makeup. So check those videos out as well. And as you can see, I did use that flat iron to create that bang, and that heart part is looking really, really pretty. I really did like how this hairstyle came out. And let me know what you guys think of this style down in the comment section, or if you have any comments about anything in this video, you can leave it down below, and I do respond to every single comment. So, you know, just if you have any questions, if you want more details about the hair, or just anything, any products that I used in the video, leave it down below, and I'll be sure to answer each of you guys' questions. I'm in love with this Amazon wig. I really like how this style came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I'm just combing that bang because I did curl it in different sections, but I did want to comb it together to try to make it seem like it was one big giant body wave curl. So that's what I was trying to achieve when I kept on combing this bang together. This is the finished product of my hair. It looks like a messy, curly updo style. Half up, half down. This is the finished product. I'm feeling myself, you know, I did my makeup at this point. And just wanted to show you guys that heart part again. Connect with me on my other social medias. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.